Hi guys, welcome to my decoration channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In today's video, I will show you beautiful woodwork in your home drawing rooms, bedrooms, and friends. These beautiful designs of wall decorations helps you to play with the rest psyche and long-lasting impression. You can also share this video with your friends and family members. And friends, these beautiful wall decoration ideas makes your homes so beautiful and elegant look of your rooms and drawing rooms. So guys, I must suggest you to watch this video till the end and don't skip the video, because all the designs are most beautiful and elegant. And friends, these beautiful wall decorations makes your home so nice, and you put many things in the wall designs ideas and make your room beautiful look, beautiful lights makes your home so nice. And guys, these beautiful designs makes you fresh and your rooms are so beautiful and outstanding and in trends. And friends, if you are new on my channel, so make sure subscribe and also like the video and press the bell icon to get a daily update, and share it with your friends, and also tell me how was my video in the comment section and which kind of videos do you want to see on my channel. I hope you will enjoy. Please watch this video till the end. Don't skip the video. We will meet in the next video with great latest ideas and 20 ideas of 2022. So guys, thank you for watching my video and my channel. So make sure subscribe and also like the video. So guys, thank you. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.